Ever needed a quick tool but the website says create an account first? And this can be annoying, right? So today I'll show you 5 powerful websites you can use instantly. No logins, no sign up, just open and use. Whether you're an office worker, student, or a content creator, this will save you serious time, and trust me, tool number 4 is a total game changer for anyone who works online. So let's go. First is Remove.bg. Go to this website, Remove.bg. Sometimes you just need to remove the background from a photo, profile pictures, product shot, thumbnails, anything. Normally you spend minutes struggling with Photoshop, but here you just upload your image and boom, the background's gone in seconds. It's clean, fast, and it's completely free. This will take us to website number 2. Website number 2, TinyWow. This site's like a Swiss Army knife of online tools. It lets you edit PDF, convert files, compress videos, remove watermarks, even generate AI content all in one place. Imagine your boss sends you a PDF, but you need it in a Word format. Just drop it into the TinyWow and it's done. No sign-ups, no software installed, just solved. The next one is Loom Record. Instead of writing long instructions in an email, just record your screen and voice, then share the link instantly. It's perfect for tutorials, clients update, or showing a coworker how to fix something without hopping on a call. The free version works right in your browser and keeps your communication fast and crystal clear. This will take us to website number 5, Krisp. If you've ever been on Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet call where background noise ruined everything, kids crying, traffic, honking, keyboard smashing, you will love this. Krisp remove all background noise in real time, so your voice comes clean and professional. I've tested it, honestly, it feels like magic. Finally, Cobat. This is one of my secret hacks. You know when you find a long blog or article online, but there's a paywall, or you just need a quick summary, just paste the link into Cobat and it sends it instantly, unlocks the page and summarize the content for you. No sign up, no limits, no hassle. It's perfect for researching, content creation, and staying productive without wasting time. So let's wrap this up. So there you go, 5 free tools, 0 sign-ups, whether you're editing photos, converting files, recording tutorials, cleaning up calls, or summarizing content instantly. This tool saves you time and frustration. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, I would love to know. And if you find this helpful, hit that subscribe button because I've got plenty of free tools and digital hacks lined up for you. See you next time.